In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invert camera Microsoft Teams. If your camera preview looks flipped and it's throwing you off, or you want your on-screen view to match how others see you, this quick setting will help. You can do this on the web or desktop version of Teams, and the process is nearly identical. First, open Microsoft Teams and sign in if you haven't already. Once Teams is open, look for the three dots icon, often labeled Settings and More. It's typically in the top corner of the app window. Click that to open the menu where you'll find the controls we need. From that menu, choose Settings. This opens a panel with several categories down the side. You'll want the Devices section because that's where Teams keeps all your audio and video controls. Go ahead and select Devices. Inside Devices, scroll to the camera area. You should see a live preview of your camera so you can instantly see any changes you make. Here, look for the option called Mirror My Video. This setting flips your self-view horizontally, like looking into a mirror. Toggling it on will mirror your preview. Toggling it off will show your preview as the camera actually captures it. A quick note to clear up common confusion. Mirror My Video only affects what you see in your own preview. It does not flip your image for other people in the meeting. So if you're holding up text or a diagram and it looks reversed to you when mirroring is on, don't worry, everyone else is seeing it the right way. If you prefer your preview to match what others are seeing, simply turn Mirror My Video off. If you find it more natural to look at a mirrored version, turn it on. There's no right or wrong here. It's about what helps you present comfortably. Use the preview to test the setting. Try turning the toggle on and off and watch how your image changes. If you have multiple cameras, make sure the correct camera is selected above the preview so you're adjusting the right one. And remember, you can change this at any time, even right before or during a meeting, without disrupting the call. That's all there is to it. Open Teams, go to Settings, select Devices, and use the Mirror My Video toggle to invert your camera preview to your preference. If your app looks a little different, make sure you're on a recent version of Teams and check the Devices section again. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.